Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. Guys, this weekend is Easter weekend. So guys, I'm gonna make you guys some fish tea today. I went to the fish store and I got a good size Dr. fish. And I'm gonna make some fish tea with it today. So I have my banana and cocoa. I have my fish tea soup up over here. I have my lemon juice. I have okra, scallion, pepper, thyme, a little piece of pumpkin, and an onion. So guys, I'm gonna rub off my fish because it was in the freezer. So I'm gonna scrape it a little bit and wash it clean and nice with some lime juice, and then I will get right back to you guys. So stay tuned guys and watch till the end because this week is Easter. No meat. Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut my fish and finish washing it and cleaning it with the lime juice. So guys, we hardly get Dr. Fish here in Canada. We hardly get it here, so when I see it I buy it. So I went to the fish store last week and I saw it, so I said okay, I'm gonna get one to make some fish tea for Easter weekend. So I got 5 pieces. So guys, my pot is on the fire. I'm just waiting on it to boil up. So as soon as it boils up, I'm gonna start. Okay guys? So stay tuned guys and watch till the end. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my fish to my boiling water. I'm gonna add the fish and the pumpkin. I have a little piece of pumpkin, so I'm gonna add it also. So guys, I'm adding my fish and a little piece of pumpkin to color the water. So stay tuned guys. Okay guys, I have half a chocho that I'm gonna put inside, so I'm gonna cut them up now and put them aside until I'm ready for them. Half a chocho and half a turnip. I love to put turnip in my soup. So guys, I want you to comment and tell me if you eat meat on Easter, or you eat just fish, or if you eat bun and cheese. And I'm gonna peel my cocoa and my yam. And I'll do right back. Just a little piece of yam, just a little slice. So, okay guys, I'm cutting my cocoa. Yeah, I'm using a small knife. Yeah, it's okay. It's good. Small. And guys, tell me what you eat in your country for Easter. So I know different countries do different stuff. So you tell me what you do in your country. But in Jamaica we eat bun and cheese, and we don't eat meat, we eat fish. Escovitch, fish and stuff like that. So guys, I have recipe with fish. So if you want to know how to make fish, whatever fish you have, you can just go and look for my fish recipe. Okay guys, I have escovitch fish and I have steamed fish and brown stew fish. Okay guys, so I'm finished cutting my carrots. Just making my fish cook a little bit more, and then I add my carrots and stuff to it. I'm just gonna use 2-finger banana. I don't want more than that. I don't want too much food. It is okay, 2 fingers, it's good. So stay tuned guys while I get my rest of stuff ready. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my carrots and my cocoa and my chocho to my soup now guys. My fish tea. And churn it. So guys, I want my fish to cook out. I don't want to see nothing. I want it to mash out in the soup. That's how we cook fish tea back home. Everything. So you stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna peel the yam and my okra next. Okay, guys? So stay tuned, guys. So okay, guys, I'm gonna add my banana. I put a little piece, 2 little pieces with the skin. So I need my soup stay white and pretty. So guys, my soup is coming on. Very nice. Fish tea. My fish tea is coming on very nice. So now I'm gonna peel 1 slice of yam, my okra, and then I'm gonna season it. Okay, guys? So stay tuned, guys. Guys, I just a slice of yam I have to put inside. To hurry up with it before it gets red.
It's getting red.
Yeah. So okay, guys, I put my yam inside. So next I'm gonna season it after, guys. I'm gonna give it a few minutes and then I season it. Okay, guys? Put in my okra, my scallion and thyme, and my garlic. Yeah, show them how I put in there. So okay, guys, I'm gonna add my okra, my fish tea, I'm gonna put in my thyme. I'm gonna cut my onion and scallion and okay, so don't turn it. These for my varnish, guys. I'm just gonna cut these and put them aside. Do my varnish when I finish. So this will be my varnish when my soup is ready and my fish tea is ready. So guys, I'm gonna leave my pepper for last. So I don't want to store it and make it break. Some people who are gonna eat the soup don't love pepper, too much pepper, so I'm gonna put it in last. Give me a pack of them. So guys, I have 2 packs of noodles. I'm just gonna add 1 first because I don't want it too salt. So I'm gonna test it with 1 first, and if it's not too much, I'll put the other one. Okay, guys? Because I'm not using any salt. I'm just gonna use the fish tea mix. Look at my fish tea. Wow. All my fish is almost this all about. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, I'm cutting some of my okra. My sister don't like them when they are big, so I'm cutting these ones for her. Yeah, I love when they are whole. So I'm cutting hers so she can have her small pieces. So now I'm gonna add the cut pieces to the soup. And as you can see, I have my whole ones inside. I'm gonna give it another stir. When it boils up, I'm gonna give her to taste, and if it tastes with enough salt, I don't have to add the other one. But if it's not, I will add the other fish mix. Okay? So okay, guys, this is the finished product of my fish tea. So guys, now I'm gonna share 2 dishes, one for my sister and one from me. So you stay tuned, guys. It's looking very nice. Guys, and you tell me how you make your fish tea from your country or wherever you're watching from, okay, guys? So stay tuned. I'm gonna make a 2 dish. So okay, guys, this is the finished product of my soup. This is for my sister, and this over there, that's over there is mine. So guys, you see how beautiful it looks? And this is fish tea. But this weekend is Easter weekend, so we're doing fish tea. And guys, I want you to tell me where you're watching from so I could give you a thumbs up in the next video. And guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, please. We appreciate you guys over here. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for being here. And if you are not, welcome over here. So guys, see you in our next video after the Easter weekend, or maybe the week after, because I'm going on vacation. So guys, see you when I get back. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.